the first ever AI dance reality show. Here we are coming up with first ever AI fashion show. In case you haven't watched that AI dance reality show, then please go and watch it now. Check the check the I button or check the links in the description.
Welcome to the first ever AI fashion show. Please watch this video till the end and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel.
Please watch this video till the end. There's something beyond entertainment in this video for everyone. Now, without wasting time, let's dive into this AI fashion extravaganza.
Wow, what a show! Now have a look at some post-show activities or some backstage fun.
The world of fashion is evolving, and it's not just about style anymore. It's about making responsible choices that impact not only our wardrobes, but also our planet. Sustainable fashion is more than a trend, it's a conscious choice to promote environmental and social well-being. It encompasses a range of practices, including 1. Ethical manufacturing, supporting brands that ensure fair wages, safe working conditions, and respect for human rights in their supply chains. 2. Eco-friendly materials, choosing clothing made from sustainable fabrics like organic cotton, tencel, and recycled materials, reducing the environmental footprint. 3. Circular fashion, extending the lifespan of clothing through repair, upcycling, and recycling to minimize waste. 4. Minimalism, opting for quality over quantity, investing in timeless pieces that last, and reducing overall consumption.
If you want to know more such facts and stats and much more about businesses and finance, just visit my website. Link is in the description. And don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.